Assalamu alaikum. Let us read this story. An orphan Eid. Eid ul-Fitr and Eid ul-Adha are the two festivals of Muslims. Friday is also very special to them. Eid ul-Fitr is celebrated at the end of the holy month of Ramadan. On the Eid day, everyone wears their best clothes. They go to the Eidgah and offer special Eid prayers. They greet each other. Eid Mubarak. Children get easy from their elders. Here we know that there are two Eids. What are they? Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha. Friday is like Eid, and during Friday we go for Jummah prayer. Eid al-Fitr we celebrate after fasting in the month of Ramadan. Then we go to Eidgah to offer special Eid prayer. Then when we meet each other, we say Eid Mubarak, and children will get gift money from grandparents, parents, uncle, auntie. So this is Eidgah. Two boys are enjoying and greeting each other. On one such Eid, in the holy city of Medina, a boy was sad. He was sitting alone. His clothes were torn. He was crying. His head was bent between his legs. But in Medina, Medina, our Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam was living there. In Medina, that place there is Masjidun Nabawi. So in Medina, during Prophet's time, during our Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam time, a boy was there and he was sad. Why was he sad? Because he was alone. His clothes were torn. He did not have new clothes. He was crying. His head was bent between his legs like this. This boy is not having good dress. It is torn and old, and he is crying. Someone gently touched his shoulder and asked, "Why are you crying?" "I am an orphan. I don't have anyone to look after me. Everyone is happy today. All children have new clothes. They have nice things to eat. I don't have any clothes. I have no food. I have no place to live." The boy replied sadly, "I too lost both my father and mother as a child," the stranger said. The boy was surprised to hear this. He looked up. To his surprise, it was Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Out of love and respect, he jumped to his feet. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked the boy, "Would you like to have me as your father, Aisha as your mother, and Fatima as your sister?" So when this boy was sad because he is not having good dress, it is old and torn, and he was crying, and he has nobody, he doesn't have father, he doesn't have mother, he doesn't have brother, he doesn't have sister, he is all alone. And that day also it is Eid. On Eid, many boys and girls were wearing new dress and were happy. But this boy, he doesn't have anybody, so he is sad. So somebody touched his shoulder gently and asked him, "Why are you crying?" So the boy said, "I am an orphan." Orphan means somebody who is not having a father or a mother because they were dead. I don't have anyone to look after me, the boy said. Everyone is happy today. All children have new clothes, the boy said. Everybody is happy, everybody is having new clothes, but I don't have any new clothes. So I am sad. I don't have anything to nice to eat. Like nice to eat during Eid time, mummy will cook special items, special snacks. But for this boy, nobody is there to cook him special snacks. I don't have any clothes. That is, this boy is having old clothes, torn clothes. But when other children are having new clothes, then I have no food, no place to live, the boy said. Sadly, I too lost both my father and mother as a child, the stranger said. Then that man, the stranger means somebody you don't know. So he said, even I lost my father and mother when I was young. That means the stranger is telling that he is also an orphan. The boy was surprised to hear this. He looked up. To his surprise, it was Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. That stranger was Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, our Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Out of respect and love, he jumped to his feet. That is, after seeing Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the boy stood up out of respect as a good manner. Then Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked the boy, "Would you like to come with me? So Aisha will be your mother and Fatima will be your sister and I will be your father." Then the boy said, "Oh yes, it would be the best thing in the world." The boy replied happily. The orphan replied happily because now he found somebody who can look after him, and that was none other than our Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam took the boy to his house. Hazrat Aisha radhiyallahu anha felt happy to see the boy. She gave him a bath and dressed him up in new clothes. Then she gave him food to eat. The boy was very happy. He ran out of the house to play with the other children. The boy indeed had a wonderful Eid that day. So what happened? Our Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam took the orphan to his house. Hazrat Aisha radhiyallahu anha, that is the wife of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, felt happy to see the boy. She gave him bath and dressed him in new clothes. Then she gave him food to eat. The boy was very happy. He ran out of the house to play with other children. The boy indeed had a wonderful Eid that day, and that he was very happy because Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam took him to his house, and Aisha radhiyallahu anha readied him with new clothes and food and sent him to play. Hope you enjoyed the story. How was it? Now we read the meaning. Orphan, a child whose parents are dead. Orphan, a child whose parents are dead. Eid, money given as gift to the children by their elders. Eid, money given as gift to the children by their elders. Stranger, an unknown person. Stranger, an unknown person. Surprised, something unexpected. Surprised, something unexpected. Hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.